Okay, so here it is, folks. I got the 2 bolts in, and as you can see, my cuts were pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. This is 48 inches exactly between the 2 pieces of plywood there, and it comes out to here. Another piece is going to go in the back. I don't know how I'm going to arrange all this right here. The reason why I anchored this in is because, well, first of all, I had to get special bolts to anchor this in. They were like, oh god, I can't remember the size off the top of my head. It's like M10-1.25 because it's a metric bolt. But these fit in here pretty well. Check this out. I'll show you how good it looks here in a minute because my seats are still forward. So if my seat's all the way back, you can barely tell. And they don't hit or anything like that, which is nice. You can see by the bottoms there, they don't hit. But there's insulation under this that I cut up. I shot my last video. And I got these. These were about, I think, 2 inches. And they were M10-1.25. I got them at Tractor Supply. Again, to each his own. But the reason why I took out the trolleys and the rails is because I wanted a couple extra inches of headroom. And I didn't want to have to worry about building around them. So I sunk these bolts in for a reason. Like I was stating before, I want to put a shelf right here. And I'm going to have stuff in there. I'll be able to, with the shelf being right here, I'll be able to use this side, or I'm sorry, the other side as a bed, which is a little bit wider, which will be kind of cool. I won't have to fold this seat down. There's actually going to be another shelf behind that seat. So that's what I'm aiming for. I got to figure out the flooring as well. So that's another thing to tackle in the back here. So yeah, I'm going to put some peel and stick on here. And yeah, that's next on my list of things to do. So alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe and watch, please.